Hi, dear Libra. Very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a mid monthly reading for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 30th of April. It's not a love reading or career or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know, okay? Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box or find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. And if you want one-on-one, okay, I told you already. If you want to start your self-love journey but don't know from where to start, you can definitely take my 30 days self-love challenge. It's in the form of a course. It's super easy to understand, and it's definitely going to make you feel like a rebirth, and your vibrations are going to raise permanently if you are going to do it with all of your heart and soul. So let's start, Libra. We have something special, Libra. I feel so. Let's see. The overall energy for Libra people for the rest of the month of April 2025 is, let's see. We have the King of Cups. So you are going to be very focused on this energy of being in a very stable energy emotionally, right? Even if you are going to have a lot to say or lot to express, you are going to keep it to yourself because you just feel like having an emotional stable base in your life. Okay, cool. Let's see in the recent past what was happening. We had the Temperance. So you were being very patient within a particular situation, and you were trying your best to not to lose your mind or not to lose your control. It's like you were trying to be extremely patient in a particular situation, and you were trying to find out a solution to a problem. Let's see what's current energies. What's the current energies? Death and rebirth. Something ended here, or something is about to end, and you can sense it, and you're trying your best to like go through this process in a positive way. By the end of this month, we have the Tower. Okay, something is going to fall apart eventually, something that's not serving you anymore or not meant for you anymore. Okay, I have a lot of white here these days, gray. So my grays have started coming, and I love them a lot. A lot of people tell me to color them. I just feel like I should not. I just love them. It's like me aging like a fine wine. I'll be 36 in on 12th of May. Don't forget to wish me. 12th of May, 36 age. Let's clarify the Temperance in the recent past for you guys, honey. We have the Emperor, the Three of Pentacles, the Queen of Swords. Oh, sorry. It's like my okay. It's like you took the decision of getting a clarity in a particular situation, in a particular collaboration partnership. It could be a work situation, it could be a relationship, it could be anything where other energies are also involved, energy or energies. So you took the charge of the situation in your own hands. You got the clarity about that situation, and you were patiently waiting for the time when you will be able to, you know, give a final answer or give a final decision in a particular situation. Okay, or make a final choice, and you were doing it very patiently. Okay, currently we have the deep death and rebirth. Let's clarify this. We have the Strength card, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Ten of Wands. So whatever transformation you're going through after this death or rebirth process, you're trying your best to not to overwhelm yourself with a lot of things, a lot of situations, a lot of people. You are trying your best to be focused on yourself as much as you can and refrain from doing things or spending your energy or time onto things that are not good for you. So something in you is transforming big time, and you can feel it inside out. You can feel it intuitively, you can feel it energetically, and you're trying your best to focus on yourself in this period of transformation rather than scattering your energies in multiple things and multiple situations, right? I am sick and I am looking sick today. Yesterday I was not looking sick even if I was sick. Today I'm looking sick for some reason. After effects, aftershocks. Anyways, you're trying your best to like stay focused on yourself and trying not to be overwhelmed by the process or over stressed by the process, and you are in this energy of, okay, let's take it one day at a time. By the end of this month, we have the Tower. Let me see what's shocking you. What's the surprise energy? Let's clarify the Tower. We have the Death card, the Hermit, and the Justice. Yeah, it's an ending of a cycle. Something is ending here. Something is, this time, something is dead and gone and goodbye. Final goodbye. This is a final goodbye. Libra, this is you, and finally, you are going to say goodbye and closing a chapter, closing a door permanently this time, because these are major arcana cards. Even if it is not physically, energetically, you are closing a chapter, a very big chapter of your life, something that was kind of sucking your blood or sucking your energy from quite a long time now, and finally you are saying goodbye to a situation that actually ended, might be a long time ago, but this time you are like, done, I'm done, goodbye. Yeah. Okay. So you're Libra, you are done with something or someone now, because this time, even if you're trying your best to save something or someone, it's not happening, and the universe is giving you the final blow. It's like final boom, bye, goodbye. Okay, it's done. For you, the guidance here is the Ace of Wands. To have this brand new beginning, to have to open up the like path for your new chapter, for your new life, you have to listen to your intuition, and your intuition is going to guide you in a very, very positive way, the way it should go ahead in your life. Okay, listen to your intuition. How to listen to your intuition? Your intuition knows the truth. It's not going to give you two ways, two paths. It's going to give you the clear cut understanding of, this is the truth and this is your path, and then follow that, follow my lead. Just follow your intuition's lead, because something is over here, and you're going through this being over part from quite a long time now, and now this time, if it is going to be over, you're going to be like, okay, this was meant to be, this was actually meant to be. Yeah, this game over thing. I got almost similar reading for another sign also. I guess game over, Virgo, I guess, I don't know. Yeah, but this is over. So thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.